We're here! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a while since I've done one of these, but before I go ahead and do so, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so every time I do upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Now, today's video, we're doing a taste test, and today we're going the nostalgic route, and I'm so excited because these were a snack of my childhood, and I'm talking about 3D Doritos. Hell yeah. These have been out for a little while apparently. Did not know that. I knew they were coming back. I just didn't know when. They would have two flavors, chili cheese nacho and spicy ranch. I got these at my local Wawa for like $1 and change. I do believe Walmart is selling them like the big bag. So you guys can always go to Walmart to do that if you have Walmart where you're from or whatever. As a kid, I ate a lot of these, but they had the jalapeno flavor and those are my favorite. And the regular nacho cheese ones, so I'm curious to see if these still have the same nostalgic taste. Let's actually try these out. Again, I'm super bummed there's no jalapeno, but whatever. Alright, we're gonna do the chili cheese nacho first. So, these bad boys up. They smell very nostalgic. They're a little bit skinnier than I remember. Kind of remind me of Bugles. But cheers. They have a nice little spice, like a little kick to them. I wasn't expecting these to be spicy, but they're nice. They kind of remind me of like a cheesier version of the chili cheese Frito. Have you ever had those? Chili cheese Fritos are good. These are awesome. They're not as hollow. Does it make sense? But yeah, these are not bad. I'll give these a 10. We'll do 8. 8. Yeah, 10. Where's my drink? Today's drink is being brought to you by Body Armor. I'm not sponsored by Body Armor at all, but these shits are delicious. And this particular flavor is probably the best flavor that they have. They're fire. Next to Minute Maid Fruit Punch. This is number 2. All right, spicy ranch. All right, spicy ranch. Let's go. This one, So. These taste like Bugles. Sorry. These taste just like Bugles. Maybe it's just hold on. Maybe they used to taste like Bugles back in the day. I don't know. They're good. I like them. They're fine by me. That was easy. I hope they come up with more flavors. That spicy ranch will give that one a 6.5 out of 10. I liked it. Wasn't the best, but I liked it. Well, that's it. That's it. That's literally it. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to, again, hit that subscribe button.
How rude. My camera completely cut me off. Crazy. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. More vlogs, workout stuff, wrestling stuff, you tell me. Until next time, peace, love, good vibes.